Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm thrilled to guide you through the process of utilizing the hand tool in Figma, an essential feature for efficient navigation. The hand tool allows you to smoothly pan across the canvas or your FigJam board, giving you the freedom to explore your workspace without unintentionally selecting or moving any design elements. To begin using the hand tool, first, look for the small downward arrow icon located in the toolbar. Once you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the middle option labeled Hand Tool. Alternatively, for a quicker method, you can simply press the H key on your keyboard to activate it. With the hand tool activated, you can effortlessly navigate around the canvas by clicking and dragging with your mouse or trackpad. This feature is particularly useful when working on larger projects, as it helps maintain focus on the details without the risk of altering your design unintentionally. That's it for using the hand tool in Figma. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful and want to learn more tips and tricks, please consider subscribing to the channel for more informative content. Your support means a lot.